My name is Yacoob Patel, and I'm proud to present to you the new mihrab. A lot of hard work and dedication done by the community, for the community. And this is a project that was to bring people together with ideas and concept and put their views on how they would like the new mosque to move forward in terms of its presentation.
We ran a series of workshops with the Stafford Muslim Community Centre and the wider Stafford community, looking at Islamic ceramics, at geometry, and also looking at local museum collections, such as the collection at the V&A Wedgwood collection. We looked through their design archives, we enjoyed looking at the museum collection and discussed where there were echoes of and influence of Islamic art in sort of Staffordshire design. And from there we created, from the different workshops that we did, we created a design library, that's what we've been calling it. So we had lots of beautiful paper tiles, ceramic tiles and geometric designs from the local Stafford community. And our lead artist, Shahed Saleem, and local artist, Mohammed Younes, worked together to put that into a final design, and we had it fabricated by the tent makers in Cairo, and we stand here today with the beautiful results.
We worked with the local community, they were very enthusiastic from the beginning, and they really kind of got involved, and we had that amazing workshop where we worked with the Islamic artifacts, historical artifacts, the community, people from the congregation, and the kids, and all ranges of people, older people, younger people, looked at the objects, decided what they liked, made drawings from the artifacts, and then created their own tiles, the designs, cut-out designs, and then with those designs, I took those and then turned them into sort of more formalised pattern designs. So from all these pattern designs, kind of invented new patterns based on the things that people had drawn themselves, and then kind of like handed it over really to Saif, who you'll speak to, who sort of got it fabricated in this amazing way. So it's really come together in quite an incredible way. So really pleased, really happy.
We managed to get a grant from the National Lottery Heritage Fund to do a project called Hands-on Islamic Art, which is to connect collections of Islamic art in the UK to communities through meaningful projects of co-creation and engagement. And so Nadia and I spoke about this project, and initially what struck us was that the ceramics from the Islamic world, many of which are in local museums like the Potteries Museum, had actually inspired ceramic production in England and in Stafford and Stoke-on-Trent. And so we thought, wouldn't it be amazing for this future mosque space to capture this interaction between the art of the Islamic world and Britain as a way of celebrating Britain's multicultural history and the long relationship between the Islamic world and Britain. It took 3 or 4 months for the tent makers in Egypt to stitch these 4 panels all by hand. Everything is hand stitched. I put them in a suitcase and brought them, and here they are installed, and we can't wait to see the local community and in its diverse forms either pray in front of this mihrab or also just come and appreciate the craftsmanship and the story that we wanted to tell about connection and how cultures have always interacted.